What's up, everybody? Welcome to Peps Blammers. Gonna be going over my range day today. Right here is the first shot out of 300 blackout with 220 grain ammunition inside the 300 blackout mag. I got that mag to run with 125 grain ammunition in it. So I decided to go to my gold mag to see how that's gonna run. Before I did all the adjustments, everything ran fine. Even with that small buffer tube on there. I'm gonna see how much of the flash gets contained and does not get contained. Right here, I'm gonna try my FRT since I figured that, I got it functioning pretty good. And it gives me only one shot. It loaded up the next one, but it wouldn't let me fire it. So I cleared it, went back to just regular fire. See, there's the round right there. Then I'm going to attempt to try my sling again. I shot right out of that thing just a second ago. So I'm going to try it one more time. Then right here, I was pretty excited for a second. So I'm like, all right, let's get this thing back on. Let's see how much of the flash, it contains. YouTube, it's not a silencer. So then I think right here is where I started to get double feeds.
So as long as it's not the ceiling and the floor, I'm happy. Yeah, I gotta see it work. Well, yeah.
After I switched it back to regular fire. I might have to take out the FRT and see how it runs without it. I might have to change the buffer tube around. I don't know. It's back to the lab. We got another one loaded up here. And for some reason, it just started malfunctioning. So attempt to adjust my gas block. See how that does. It's a little loud today. I'm working today and going over this video for y'all to get this thing out there so y'all can see how my range day went. The magazine would get stuck in there because of the double feed. The round would be partially inside the chamber and partially inside the magazine, so it made it kind of hard to pull out the magazine a few times. And those rounds went okay. I think right here, I think I had another double feed right here. It would let off like 2-3 rounds and then it would double feed. And here I go with the gas block again. Give her one more go. I'm like, dang, man, I just had it going. which I should have recorded that when I actually got it going with the other mag. Yeah, those rounds were in there pretty good. Just yanked on that mother. See how that is right there. So then I said, the hell with that magazine. I'm gonna go with my 300 blackout mag right here and see how this does. Got the last few rounds loaded up. Take that sling up off me, man. Get that sling up out of here. Shooting right out of the sling. Yeah, Miss Piggy was throwing a fit for sure. I'll get her sorted out though. Let's load up these last couple rounds. See how it does. After making that one more adjustment. Yeah, those ones went off smoothly. And that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.